A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Techgig webinar series. The topic for today's session is Keep Your IT Systems Smart and Sleek. And we have with us today Mr. Amlesh Pore. He is the Senior Manager, Cognizant Technology Solutions. Amlesh has more than 16 years of experience in the IT consulting and management in SAP and various technology fields for clients in the US, UK, Europe, and APAC regions. He has demonstrated the alignment of business requirement and technology fitment in verticals like retail, pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and high-tech manufacturing through project delivery and consulting. He was also associated with Infosys and L&T in the Jadavpur University, Kolkata, and PMP certified from PMI USA. He was a speaker and paper presenter in the Project Management National Conference 2011 conducted by PMI India. As a standard practice, the presentation for today will last for the first 45 odd minutes, and we will open up the session for a quick round of Q&A during the last 15 minutes. Request all the attendees to start sending in questions from 3:30 p.m. onwards, and also please inform me in case if you face any connection or any audio related problem throughout the session today. So without any further delay, I now hand over the presentation to Amlesh. Amlesh, I am giving you the presenters right now.
Okay, sure.
Please let me know once you...
Yeah, I hope you're able to see my screen.
Yeah, I can see your screen now. Please start the presentation.
Okay, thanks, Ragna, and very warm welcome everybody to the webinar. Keep your IT system smart and sleek. The format of the presentation that I'm going to arrange today is we'll go through sort of introduction, then we'll talk about why do we have the challenges today, what if we don't act on it, how do I keep my IT smart and sleek, which is the agenda of this webinar, dynamic reorganization of application portfolio. We'll take you through a case study. We'll talk about a business and IT partnership and governance, and then we'll summarize the webinar today. So I'm sure many of you have also experienced the same thing. Many customers that we have worked with, if we are in the consulting organization, some of you who are already in the IT department of the organizations, you may have also experienced that the organizations are struggling to keep themselves updated with the latest technology trend. The reason is like technologies are coming out very fast, and it takes a lot of time to adapt them and deploy them to the business requirement. As a result, the organizations many times they use the outdated technology, they use the obsolete technology, or sometimes even if they are using the technology, whatever is the latest available in the market, however, it's not probably aligning with the business goal. As a consequence, what we see that organizations are, IT departments are not meeting the right business demand, and at the same time, they're incurring higher cost of maintenance. To give you a very small example, I have seen an organization who are almost 5 to 6 years into an ERP solution that they have implemented, and their legacy technology, legacy solution is still continuing in parallel, which are not required because the ERP solution can take care. Due to various reasons, they could not retire that. So after 5-6 years into the ERP solution, they decided to retire the legacy solution, and already they have spent a lot of money on that. And on top of that, whenever we are using more number of systems, that means more integration and more point of failure and more business dissatisfaction. So, as I mentioned, in other words, in such scenario, the IT landscape does not look very smart in front of the business, and design-wise also it is not very slick. So what I intend to deliver today in this webinar, to make ourselves conscious, whatever role we are playing in the IT organization, with our client or with our own organization, all of us need to be very conscious so that we maintain a evergreen IT landscape. We should continue focusing on the technology, using the latest technology. Not only, like, I'm not talking about any technology that a senior management team will need to bring and deploy. Even if the existing one, are we using the full potential in order to keep it very efficient? And we have to ensure, this is a knowledge industry. The entire IT is a knowledge industry. So all the people who are working in IT should use the knowledge as a power to keep it evergreen. At the same time, I want to remind that I do not mean that any latest technology available in the market, without any relevance, we add them to the landscape.